night of November 3rd and 4, 1839, workers from Wales rose up against the authorities. These tragic events are known as the Newport Rising. The supporters of the movement protested against the detention of Chartists at the Westgate Hotel and the earlier rejection of the People's Charter calling for democratic reforms in Parliament. The fight for human rights was treated as treason. All three main leaders of the Rising, John Frost, Zephaniah Williams, and William Jones, were found guilty and were sentenced to death. The people of Newport still remember the events of that time. Every year we celebrate and remember the sacrifice of the Chartists and all those who fought for the rights we enjoy today. We gather each year to light torches and march in their footsteps to Westgate Square.
Powerful colliery owners and ironmasters seared into our country and our communities. They needed to change their world for the better. They dared to believe that this power was within their grasp. Chartists gathered here on the edge of this very park, or marching to Westgate Square in defiance. We are here now because the Chartists were here then. We are still here because the fight for human rights goes on. We are still here, Amma or Heed. As you march to Westgate Square.